Electromagnetic spectrum. As we know, visible light is a part of electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light is from violet to red on the electromagnetic spectrum. Only that part of the spectrum is visible to our eye. Properties common to electromagnetic rays. They do not require a material medium for their propagation. We know that white light reaches our eyes traveling through vacuum. These waves travel with the same speed in air or vacuum, which is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. All electromagnetic rays exhibit the property of reflection and refraction. During these processes, the frequency remain unchanged. That is, frequency does not change during reflection and refraction. They are not deflected by electric and magnetic fields. The electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature. Spectrum of white light. We have studied about the spectrum of white light. The position of spectrum of white light is between violet and red. Only this part of the spectrum is visible to us. We call it a visible spectrum. Beyond red and blue on either side, there are waves which does not respond to our eye. This part of the spectrum is called invisible spectrum. Waves of wavelength longer than the red part of the visible spectrum in the increasing order of wavelength are infrared radiation, microwave radiation, and radio waves. Waves of wavelength shorter than that of violet spectrum in the decreasing order of wavelength are violet rays, X-rays, and gamma rays. The complete electromagnetic spectrum in the increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of frequency, both are inversely proportional. They are number 1 gamma rays, second X-rays, third ultraviolet rays, visible light, infrared radiation, microwave radiation, and radio waves. C is equal to F lambda, where C is the speed of the wave, F frequency, and lambda wavelength. Properties of gamma rays. They have wavelength less than 0.1 angstrom. They are obtained from nucleus of radioactive substances and from cosmic radiation. The following are the properties of gamma rays. They produce fluorescence when they strike fluorescent materials. They are energetic rays and penetrate through thick metal sheets. They easily pass through human body and cause biological damage. They are used in medical field to kill cancer tissues and in industry to check welding. X-rays have the wavelength from 0.1 angstrom to 100 angstrom. They are produced when highly energetic cathode rays fall on heavy metal target. They affect photographic plate, they cause fluorescence, they penetrate human flesh but are stopped by bones. Used to detect fracture in bones and teeth, used to study structure of atoms and molecules. Ultraviolet radiation. They have wavelength range from 100 angstrom to 4000 angstrom. Sunlight, arc lamp, spark, etc. are their sources. They can pass through quartz but absorbed by glass. They travel with the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. They obey law of reflection and refraction. They affect photographic plate. They produce fluorescence on striking zinc sulfide. They are used for sterilizing, for detecting the purity of germs, key in producing vitamin D in food of plants and animals. But they can cause skin cancer if exposed for a long time. The fourth one is visible light. The wavelength of visible light is from 4000 angstrom to 8000 angstrom. The sources of visible light are sun, electric bulb, white hot objects. We can see objects around us due to visible light. Visible light is also used in photography. Plants prepare food in the presence of visible light by photosynthesis. Infrared radiation comes around a wavelength range of 8000 angstrom to 10 raised to 7 angstrom. All hot bodies like heated iron ball, flame, fire are the sources of these radiations. Sun is the natural source. They travel at the speed of light, obey all laws of reflection and refraction. They do not affect photographic plate. They are absorbed by glass but transmitted by rock salt. They are dictated by their heating property using a thermopile or blackened bulb thermometer. They penetrate through fog. They are used in dark rooms for developing photographs. They are also used in remote control of TV. A high dose of infrared radiation causes sunburn. You are familiar with sunburn nowadays. Microwaves have wavelength range from 10 raised to 7 angstrom to 10 raised to 11 angstrom. They are produced by electronic devices like crystal oscillators. They are used for satellite communication, for analysis of atomic and nuclear structures, in microwave ovens, and in radar communication. So the last one is radio waves. They have wavelength about 10 meter. They are used in radar communication and radio and television transmission.